When we said in the beginning, it's not only going to be only theory and just talking, we actually need to practice now. So, and now we're going to practice if you can actually reach the baton where you put it. Left hand, right hand, we'll see. So, if Peter, for example, now he has it in the back pocket, right? Now he'll choose, okay, can you grab it with the right hand? He can't. What about the right hand is injured and he needs to go for the left hand? Okay, he can. The same goes with the front one. So he puts it into the front. Can he reach it with the right one? He can. Second hand now, hop. Okay, but now you need to practice it. So it will look something like this. You will just stand, and when you are alone, you're just gonna practice 10 times back pocket, quick draw. 10 times that side, maybe even better, 20 times. If you want to be very good at it, even 50 times, the more you get, the better. And then do the same with the other hand. Okay.
That's a bit slower.
Yeah, a bit slower, of course. Now, because you don't have it in your muscle memory, slowly control it, feel how you are drawing the baton. Then put it into the front.
Every time if you draw, focus for the thumb, for the finish, for the muscle memory.
Yeah.
From this point, every time.
Don't end in the position where you're just grabbing it, but have the thumb on the end. Why? We'll say a little bit later. So now you do the same, you put it into the front.
And train now 20 times on right side, left side, 20 times now.
So, okay, now you practice the drawing from the standing position. Okay, I hope you did. I know you did because you want to be. You wouldn't have this course if you didn't want to be good with telescopic baton, right? Okay, so we have it from the standing position, right hand, left hand. Now let's give it a little bit harder and start from the seating position or kneeling position, okay? You're gonna do the same, left hand, right hand, stop the video and practice this move now. All right, we're gonna make it even a little bit harder. So you have been standing up, you have been sitting, and now you're gonna be laying on your back. It's very common. Maybe he tripped, maybe I hit him. Now he needs to draw. Again, right hand, but also with the left hand. Maybe it's injured, maybe it's cut. Don't just focus on one arm, because then in the situation, you need to be ready for both. So now, again, stop the video and practice this one, both sides, at least 20 times. Go. Okay guys, so you just started from your back. Maybe the position is a little bit different. Now we are on the belly. Again, practice drawing now. Right hand, the baton is ready. Thumb on the end of the baton. And now the second hand. Again, harder, but you need to practice it. So now lay on your belly and do both sides 20 times again. So now, so we can compare which one suits you better, do all the positions again with the baton being facing in the forward, in the pants, okay? Again, same positions, right hand only, okay? So you can get used to it. And now, after this, you can pick and choose which one is better for you. We're gonna train both again, but either one that you pick, we're gonna now put some pressure or some more stress a little bit into it, because it's very easy when you're just at home and you can do it 1,000 times. Okay, that's a next step to getting better. But now we're gonna up the stakes a little bit. So it's best when you get a partner, you can use the pads, maybe some boxing gloves, maybe bare hands, but watch out for the safety. Now the key is not to knock him out while he's looking for baton, but to
make some press.
Make some press on him, yes, exactly, so he feels the pressure. Once he gets the baton up, so we'll be showing it, he's in case, yeah, bang, 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 that means he's done. He can maybe say, I have it, or stop. That means the practice is over and we can go again. So do the exact same as the draws you were doing before, but with some pressure. From the standing, you will do again something like this. And stop. So now we're gonna change it again a little bit harder. I'm not just gonna punch him to the head or tap him to the head. Now his goal is again to draw, but your opponent will be taking him closer, pushing, bang, bang. And now he has to take it out as well, okay? So a little bit harder. Don't again try to take him down, but some pushes on the shoulder, take him by the head, and again here, here. So he has very hard time going for the weapon, even to the hand, okay. Make it a little bit harder, because now he will be improving twice as much as opposed to just normal drawing. So now again with partner, push, pull 20 times now.